Monday. Over the weekend, North Korea launched a satellite into space, but other nations think they've lied and failed to make their case. We think they launched a long-range missile designed to hit the U.S. The UN Security Council may issue sanctions if there's another missile test. On Monday, fans of Chipotle left lunch with a frown after they showed up to get food and saw the store was shut down.
Okay.
An E. coli outbreak has caused Chipotle's image to take a negative turn. With improved food safety efforts, Chipotle is hopeful it's your business they will earn.
Ooh.
That's just long, though. I tried to edit and edit and edit, and I couldn't eliminate a word to make it work.
Your sense of rhythm is better than the guy who did the rap.
Keep going.
I agree with that completely. No, they're completely different levels right now we're operating on, but I appreciate that. All right, Wednesday. On Tuesday, the New Hampshire primary results came in, and Bernie Sanders and Donald Trump were both able to win. The Republican primary proved to be difficult and not basic. Marco Rubio's Thursday. Every time I say a date, I have to go back a day because it's a day old. On Wednesday, they announced the publishing of a new Harry Potter book. But this time around, the famous wizard will have a different look. In the story, we catch up with Harry after 19 years go by. Now he's a wizard dad, but his Quidditch stick still helps him fly.
Woo!
He can't fly on that thing, right? I've never really read
Yeah.
Okay. Today, in Science on Thursday, there was really important news. Einstein had a theory that new research finally proves. I won't lie, all this science stuff is a little too much for me. All I took from the story is that we have gravity.
Ooh.
All right, thank you.